What's going on, YouTube? This is Alex reporting to you from Vapesterdam, where the forecast always calls for clouds on clouds on clouds. Today we've got the Utillian 5 in. Let's see if the hype holds up. The Utillian 5 is solid and sturdy. It's got a rugged design. It's fully stainless steel with a matte finish that I love. It's a bit bigger than most pens, but that's because it's built like a truck to handle your wax well. The vapor quality is phenomenal. It has better taste on lower temperatures, massive hits on higher temperatures. This isn't anything new, but it is among the best vapor quality I've experienced in a wax pen. The Utillian 5 has two different coils that you can use, and the dual Canthal twisted coil is absolutely phenomenal. In fact, both of them are phenomenal, but just because I see the Canthal less, I think I like it more. It is absolutely fantastic to throw your wax on, and it heats up really quickly, which is great. I also picked up a Utillian 5 wax pen bubbler. It is a phenomenal tool. I mean, I don't have to tell you guys that I love running my shit through water. Just that extra level of filtration, just that cool down is fantastic. And this thing just sits right on top of your Utillian 5, super easy to use, and wonderful, wonderful experiences. In terms of look and feel, the rugged design is built to last. I really love the matte finish. It is really, really nice, hefty, but it feels sturdy and gets the job done. It has a premium look that I love to find in any wax pen. It is discreet-ish. It fits in your pocket, but it is a little bulky. It might look like you're packing a little extra, if you know what I mean. It looks kind of like a vape pen for any of those on-the-go stealthy sessions that you want to pull off. It's a little hefty, but I think that trade-off for durability is definitely worth it. Like, I can see this being a long-term unit. It's a little hefty, but it's portable as hell. In terms of ease of use, I mean, I don't know if I have to run you guys through this again, but I will. 5 taps to turn it on. 4 temperature settings, well, voltage settings between 2.2 and 2.8 volts. It's really just super easy, like load her up and let her rip. It is a great introductory unit for this reason, and I think a lot of people out there are just going to enjoy it. It has the flavor for the flavor chasers, it's got the clouds for the cloud chasers, and even on higher settings, it really isn't that harsh, the vapor, which is great. I mean, especially if you run it through that bubbler, I've had some great results. In terms of portability, it is great. I mean, obviously you're gonna run into the discreteness-ish problem that I was talking about before, but it does have a 1050 milliamp hour battery, which is among the best for wax pens out there. It's stealthy on lower temperatures and will definitely last you a full day. And again, fits in your pocket, but might be a little bulky. You might want to throw it in a bag. But again, the durability, it's just super durable. You can tell it was built with quality parts. I just really, really like this unit. The Utillian 5 is a beast of a wax pen, rivaling most rigs. But let's take a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros: massive clouds, easy to use, and the vapor is tasty as fuck. Cons: it is larger than most pens, and there's no battery indicator. However, you know, if you keep your shit charged like I do, I mean, I plug it in at home at the end of every day, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. I mean, I always like to carry a battery pack around with me, but hey, I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. Overall, I'd recommend the Utillian 5 for anyone who wants a rig they can rip on the go, or any newbies that want to skip right up to a top performer. As always, thank you so much for checking out our review of the Utillian 5. Throw us a like if you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you really enjoyed it. To find out more, be sure to visit Vapesterdam.com to check out reviews, showdowns, and rankings. My name's Alex, and until next time, stay cloudy.